Good afternoon. Today I would like to present our project called Hybrid Solar Wind Charging Station. This project is focused on creating an autonomous energy system that can generate electricity using two renewable energy sources, sunlight and wind. The main idea of this project is to provide a stable and environmentally friendly source of energy for everyday devices in place where there is no access to the main power grid. So, in modern life, people depend heavily on electricity. We use it to change our phones, power lighting system, and operate different household and digital devices. However, in many situations such as hiking trips, remote areas, villages far from cities, or during emergency power outages, access to electricity is limited or completely unavailable. At the same time, most traditional energy sources such as coal and gas power plants cause air pollution and increase carbon dioxide emissions. This creates two main problems. First, people need a reliable source of electricity in autonomous conditions. Second, society needs cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions that do not harm the environment. So, our solution. To solve this problem, I proposed a hybrid charging station that uses both solar and wind energy at the same time. A hybrid system is more reliable than a system with only one energy source because it can work in different weather conditions. For example, when there is no sunlight but there is wind, the wind turbine can still generate electricity. When there is no wind but there is sunlight, the solar panel continues working. All produced energy is stored in a battery and can be used later when it's needed. This makes the system flexible, autonomous and suitable for real-life situations. So, how it works? The system consists of a solar panel and small wind turbine, a controller, and a rechargeable battery. The solar panel converts sunlight into electricity energy using photovoltaic cells. The wind turbine converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy and then into electricity energy by rotating a generator. Electricity from both sources goes to a controller which regulates voltage and protects the battery from overcharging. After that, the energy is stored in the battery. From the battery, electricity can be supplied to different devices such as lamps, mobile phones, a mini fridge for medicines or food, or an air purifier. In this way, the station can work as a small independent power source for daily needs. Scientific principles. The operation of the system is based on several important physical principles. First, it uses the photoelectric effect, which allows solar panels to convert light energy into electrical energy. Second, it uses electromagnetic induction, which makes it possible to generate electric current when the generator inside the wind turbine rotates. The system also follows the law of conservation of energy because energy is not created from nothing but only transformed from one form into another. In addition, it is based on the principles of electric circuits, voltage regulation, and energy storage in batteries. All these physical laws work together to make the hybrid station efficient and reliable.
Would like to talk about the practical applications, impact and advantages of our project. First, the applications of the NovaEnergy are wide and meaningful. The station can be used to charge phones, flashlights, and small electronic devices. It can power a mini refrigerator for storing medicines and food, which is especially important in remote areas or during emergencies. It can also support an air purifier, improving air quality indoors. This makes the system useful for camping, rural homes, schools, and emergency situations when electricity is unavailable. Second, the social and environmental impact of our project is significant. Socially, NovaEnergy improves access to reliable energy, increasing the safety and comfort for people vehicle without stable electricity. It can help communities during power outages and natural disasters. Environmentally, the system reduces dependence on fossil fuels and lowers carbon dioxide emissions because it uses renewable energy sources like sunlight and wind. One of the biggest advantages of our hybrid system is reliability. It works when there is sunlight and also when there is wind. Compared to a single source system, it provides more stable energy production. It's environmental friendly, scalable, and can serve as a base for other devices such as mini refrigerators, air purification systems, or even small smart home technologies. In conclusion, the hybrid solar wind charging stations is an effective and eco-friendly solution for autonomous energy supply. It clearly demonstrates how physical laws can be applied to solve real-world problems and improve people's quality of life while protecting the environment.